I get asked all the time, who has the best high quality streetwear blanks in the industry? Well, I haven't touched too many, so I'm not 100% sure, but I am here today to tell you that Made Blanks is the real deal. When it comes to streetwear, they got mesh shorts, they got a nice shirt, they got varsity style fleece jackets like the one I have on right now. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirts Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. And in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at what Made Blanks has to offer. I got a huge sample pack with a ton of stuff in it. I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna get to it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys want to introduce me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. So, man, I've been trying to get to this. These showed up at my house the other day. I don't know what happened here, but nonetheless, I got the box. Y'all see the logo. Y'all see what I'm wearing. I done had this thing on for like 2 weeks, and not even exaggerating. I done took showers. I done changed, I done put these right back on. I have wore some other stuff in the middle there, but for the most part, I probably wore this like 12 out of 14 days. And I'm gonna tell you why. First and foremost, I like to test everything that I wear. I like to test it, I see how it makes me feel. And this thing is legit. First and foremost, the first 2 days, it was a freaking blizzard. We had snow and all of this stuff. I'm wearing it, I can't feel no cold in it. So I'm here to tell you that these hoodies from Made Blanks are the real deal. I want you guys to know and understand that they are the real deal. Talking about a heavyweight deal, this is a heavyweight piece. They are a little bit oversized. I didn't mind it, you know, I normally don't like my clothes too big. If I was trying to wear it like out and different things like that, I probably would go with a medium. But, you know, Made Blanks, the real deal. Oh man, this right here looks so dope. You know why? Because my favorite color is black. But my high school and the college that I ended up graduating from, the colors of those schools are royal blue. And we kind of gave you guys an overview of the blanks, right? And now I got the blanks. We gave you an overview of the blanks, and now I got the blanks. All right, so we got the mesh short, and these are probably the thickest mesh shorts. They not none of them rinky-dink cheap things, right? You got a pocket on here with the zip. You know, sometimes you don't get that luxury to have a zip pocket on something like a basketball short or even pockets at all. So these things are the real deal mesh shorts. Nice line in the inside, they're not thin at all. So I think these are gonna be something that I'm gonna rock. I'm gonna rock them. I'm gonna put something on them. I'm gonna look at them, wear them around the crib. We got two, so we got a large and a small here in this stuff. But let's take a look here. We got the t-shirts, right? We got the t-shirt, streetwear style t-shirt. This ain't no gilding, baby. This is not no gilding. Nice style fit. I'm gonna print this up. I'm gonna see if I can get maybe a royal blue logo on here and rock this all together. Definitely a high quality streetwear blanks. And the question in the preview was, does Made Blank have the best streetwear blanks? And listen, I am super pleased with the quality that my man Cool and the crew over there at Made Blanks is providing, and the stuff that's outside the box, right? And no pun intended, but let's take this outside the box and take a look at it. So here is that varsity jacket, right? And you know, they have these in like the normal fleece, like the normal fleece, normal sweatshirt fleece from other companies and stuff like that. But this does not even feel, now that I'm holding it, this doesn't feel like it's that kind of deal, right? It is, fleece, but it just feels a lot heavier. It feels more put together. It feels more valuable. The lining on the inside, super, super fluffy. Man, this is nice. This is nice. And I didn't even say what color to send me, but I could rock the royal blue, you know what I'm saying? I could throw some old Cheney football designs on here and do some nice stuff with it. I like how this is the tan sleeve. You normally get the white or the gray sleeve, so get a little bit of contrast to go in this. Definitely another good piece that I have here to press up. You know what I'm saying? We didn't go into detail, but we here now. We didn't go into detail. I got the white streetwear blank here. Again, this is like, you know, another streetwear blank that t-shirt, loose fit, good there. All right, what we got here? Which piece is this? I'm not 100% sure which piece, but it's just like the gym short. This probably is like, knowing their names without going to the website and taking a look, this is probably like a recess short to them. So this here is a nice short, you know, a loungy short. If you look into that, I mean, I guess this is the streetwear style of stuff that they wear, you know, the oversized hoodie, throw a large hoodie on, or a hoodie on with some shorts, run to the store, some socks, you know what I'm saying? Just and just have that little style. So that's super clean. Definitely, man, these materials, you know, when you start to touch a lot of this stuff, you see some of these materials, you know that this stuff is legit. You can tell in the thickness. You can pick up a shirt and know if it's cheap, if it's not cheap. This cotton feels so thick and so nice that, you know, nothing but great things to say about it. We got this here. Let's take a look. Another, oh, this one might be a long sleeve. Hit him with the long sleeve. Yeah, man, listen. Throw something on here. Man, listen, when you print on this stuff, you gotta do a big ass design. I'm gonna do some big design. I got some stuff in Delaware that I wanted to have that streetwear feel and vibe, and I know what blanks I'm gonna use. And don't worry, I'm gonna be getting something ready to dye, made, custom. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it at this current moment. Maybe I do something for t-shirt side hustle with it. And you guys can buy. I don't have a set right now where I'm going to do some local stuff, maybe in the summertime, but I am going to get and go through the ready to dye process, pick a custom color, get it dyed up and see what we can come up with. All right, so that's all out of that box. I'm not sure here what's in this box. I wasn't expecting this much stuff already, but it's some more stuff. My man hooked me up with some stuff to see. And listen, I'm gonna do a follow-up video after wearing some of this stuff. You know, I should probably do a photo shoot or something. And just to see how it feels. Oh man, listen. One of these things that I'm super excited to try out, to put on, to test out is coming up. And it is this it? Is this it? All right, so this is the sweatshirt here. Nice rib side. You know what I'm saying? Super premium. Nice rib side, sweatshirt, looks good. Again, man, this fleece, super nice fleece that he's put together. Got a black one. Come on, boy, I needed a black one. I needed a black one of these, man. I done wore this gray one out. I don't know if it got some stains on it or not, but as you guys can see, I'm excited about that. Fleece, all of these fleeces, this is the size small here. All of these fleeces are gonna be some of my top. Again, I talked to you guys about the sweatpants. The sweatpants have that old style gym bottom. This isn't like the latest trend as far as like jogger pants or jogger bottoms, but this is like a streetwear style. So if you into that vibe and you got a brand that's into that vibe or that area, this is a style that they wear in the streetwear portion of the industry, which is super cool, man. And I'm glad I got some black now. I get to wear it. You know what I mean? Somebody texted me the other day, said, hey, you ain't put your logo on it yet. I'm like, man, listen, I don't just put my logo on anything. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure it's the best. And this is some of the best fleece that I've touched. Different grade, different level, different feel, and all blanks are not created the same. They're not. It's no way possible. You know, you got things for different reasons. If you want to be cheap, your client wants to be cheap, they can go to Gildan route. You know, you can give them an oversized t-shirt, box fit, you know what I'm saying? But if you want to give somebody something that they're going to be proud to wear and not just wear around the house cleaning, you got to invest into premium blanks like these blanks here from Made Blanks. Trust me. I'm not joking. Let's see what else we got in here. I saw something recently. I don't know if it's in here or not. This is another sweatshirt. I don't know if it's in here or not. Yo, these pants. Y'all don't even know, man. These ones are thicker than these are thicker. Okay, these are different. All right, so we got an open bottom. You got a little drawstring here so you can make them tighter than you want. I'm gonna have to do a full, like, run through the website and just talk about some of these things, man, in detail. It's a lot to do right here. But listen, I'm gonna be putting some of this stuff on and I'm gonna be rocking it, and we are going to see exactly what's what. Again, all of their tags are tear away. You can tear them away, their paper tags. Then they do have a second tag. If you want, you can cut this top one off with their logo, and you can just have the information on the side here, what it's made of, 100% organic cotton, stuff like that. So that's awesome. Different style of pant there. Let me see if I got lucky. All right, this is the black hoodie here. No drawstrings on this hoodie. All right, no drawstrings on this hoodie. So, you know, you getting your Kanye vibe on and different things like that. If you got a streetwear brand and you're not using these blanks, I don't know what you're doing. You know, I don't know what you're doing. So let me explain to you the shirt that I'm actually, I gotta get. They have a hoodie that released, and that hoodie has, it's not even a hoodie, it's a sweatshirt that they released, and it has pockets on the side, okay? I'm looking forward to trying that one out, testing that one out. No, I'm not looking forward to trying out, testing it out. I know the shit's good. So I'm looking forward to having that one, okay? If you guys want to see me try some of this on, let me know down in the comments below and I'll figure it out. You know, I'm not like the fashion guru type of person, but I'll put some of this stuff on. But man, listen, I don't wear this thing for 2 weeks straight, all types of weathers. Man, I've shoveled snow in this for like an hour and I was good. You know what I'm saying? My hands was cold, my face was cold, but guess what wasn't? My body. That's because Made Blanks, heavyweight blanks are the real deal when it comes to fleece. You know, there's grades to this, and I'll have to put this on that top notch, good, better, best, right? This is a super, super premium fleece, super thick, great wintertime fleece. And you guys out there who want to get on with Made Blanks, you can visit madeblanks.tshirtstyles.com. You can also find it down in the description below. You guys can jump on board and grab you some of these premium blanks from Made Blanks, man. My man Cool over there, he's doing a great job bringing wholesale, or rather I should say bringing fashion, real fashion, the stuff that you see these rappers and these brands and these high-end brands like he mentioned in the past video. That stuff is printed on his blanks and it's accessible to you guys as well. So you don't have to worry about not having the quality, not having those style of blanks, because right now I'm just showing you guys that you have access to them and they're here for you. So let me know what you guys think about these blanks down in the comments. Are you gonna pick some up? Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is me, your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, here unboxing some Made Blanks. Peace.